What's poppin'? What's going on, everybody? Everybody good? Everything cool? So probably I wonder where me today. I never do know him. They back at my yard in Jamaica. I have not been really doing anything since I've been back. So that's why I don't really not see no vlogs. But I have been putting out videos. There are videos on my main channel, link in the description. The gaming channel up and live. About 3 videos up over there now. I wanna go drop today. But you're not going to see the video tomorrow. So go check out the gaming channel, link in the description. Follow me on Instagram, link in the description. I say a long time you don't see me, isn't it? So I have to go on a vlog. I just have to go on a vlog. Even if it means you don't have to just look for me, I do nothing. I have to go on a vlog. Wake up kind of early today. Wake up from about 4 o'clock I wake up. About after 6, going to 7 o'clock you know. So I go make some tea. I eat a little leftover sandwich. I don't know what I'm going for today. But I have to drop a vlog for them. I have to drop a vlog. Oh, make sure you turn on the post notifications something because YouTube, them algorithm kind of get freaked. So when you like the videos and you turn on your post notification, it better for you see every video when we drop. So if you depend on any of my other channels, turn on the post notification. I'm gonna make some tea you know, and then if anything we check back in you know. Wife still asleep, so I'm not gonna make up too much noise. Alright? Oh yo! Yam cabbage, why you chopping so hard? Yeah man, today one of them rainy days that will look like it stand in your yard and stay warm. One of those bleaky days. Just like those rainy days over the wild way. Overnight burger. Shout out to all of the people who have to wake up early in the morning. They go hustle it for their family. Big up on yourself, man. And all the little youth them we have to go to school. Remember them days when I have to wake up early. And my school never that far from me. But I still have to wake up early, isn't it? Can't go to school late. Big up on yourself, yeah, man. It's soon over. Let's go and push, you know? So I tell you now, gaming channel live. What you gotta say? That's what you have to say? Damn. Let me say this. I hopefully help somehow. Now where I live I can see children going to school in the morning, you know? And picnic, them bad. And them bad for no reason at all. Parents, please to teach your children how to walk on the road. And help them to understand say, playing in the road is not a safe thing. Carry cloth them down. Teach them how to walk when them a walk on the road. Because they just a gaze and a look all over the place and now look where them a go. Let me say it again. Carry cloth them down. I see something a while ago make me say, you know say, we have to give thanks for every single thing we have. Including the fact that we have hands. You can imagine a cow and goat and they sitting there. Her neck back and scratch them. And then can reach round there and scratch it. So a goat a while ago nearly killing himself. I try to scratch his neck back on the tree. And I broke off the whole of his neck. Just with scratching. As simple as it is, and it is a dangerous thing. Right there saying, look how close it be. Right where your neck back and scratch you. And you can't reach up there to scratch it. Poor goat them, eh? Neck back and scratch him and they can't do this. They must hate if you see we have hand on there. Oh, all them people with all them hand there. If me did that hand, you see. Give thanks. Give thanks so you have hand. And you can't scratch and itch. Oh me, if I'm me, then I have all hand. But remember this, it fix ya now. So if you don't want nothing to fix, talk to me. And I don't know if I go jump out a little change. I have a link. So just talk to me and make me tell him. The only problem with the laptop you know, which was there from before, is that it have a little yellow tint. I don't know if you can see it still. I try everything on the internet so if you try. But when you start look on the laptop screen for a long while, I realize say you don't really see all that yellow again. Maybe I just my eyes get used to it after a while. But like compared to my wife's laptop screen. So if anyone wanna know how to fix that, not by using any of the internet methods. If it's there on the internet, me try. So if you have a different method, let me know in the comment section below. Why not just sit there on the freaking... I feel like I'm just in an accident. Yeah, I'm sitting there restrict my neck for a move. Shit. Now just couple vlogs ago, me did say to you, say my laptop won't fix. I look here. Couple vlogs further into the future, guess what? A laptop fix. That is what I call progress. A progress that it might be small, but it can lead to greater things. For example, I can be editing more videos. Now, like how I do gaming thing, I know God is good. God is good, man. It takes some little step where going to lead to bigger and better things. See? Yes, I bust it off. I almost forgot to say I did a vlog today. We just done edit one video for the gram. So if you follow me on Instagram, you will see this video later. Alright, man, get a call. Oh, nigga, why you trapping so hard? Yeah, why you get to capping so hard? Yeah. So as me say about the video, follow me on Instagram to see the video there. If you follow me on Instagram already, big up yourself. If you don't follow me, go follow me. That way we drop comedy videos also apart from the main channel. Check out the link in the description. You don't know. I'm not gonna really do much to them. I might record some more gameplay for the gaming channel. But mostly it's gonna be a stay at home day. What I do kinda cool. So me today as I think yesterday I get the idea for remix Alkaline Badness it name and sing about Mosquito. So now I get some behind the scenes, you know. When everything put together, it's gonna put on my Instagram. And I get some behind the scenes of how I prepare the antics. For you see for Instagram. I'm not gonna do too much though, isn't it? I record a good little portion already, but as on the day and I vlog me a vlog. Yeah, I make on see what I go on. Now this take a sound after Uno. Until I see the real thing. If the real thing finish before I deal with the vlog, yeah, then I put in a vlog. What if it change if my hand gets sprayed? Mosquito, other dead, slippers clap them the same. Chick V, Zig V, one bag of paint, see them pitch on the wall and just clap out them. Mosquito want for full of a place, them. So, but there's a record and not even press record. Behind the scenes, man. Rotted clot. What if it change if my hand gets sprayed? Mosquito, I got dead, slippers clap them the same. Chick V, Zig V. Mosquito want for full of a place. Them bite me on my elbow, my neck, my back and my face. Destroy, I use that in case. As them fly off, my clap on, send them in the darkest place. Them fly lean, clap them straight. Tell them no levitate. They do that. A big mistake. Bomba! that was a good take. That was a good take. It bust off another one. I'll give you a little preview.
Yo, murder! After this, I don't want you to sing it for another one. You hear that? Mosquito murder me thing there. You hear that?
Welcome, brother.
Yo, dog, you know the mosquito down there?
Down where? Why you there, idiot? Church.
Murder go on, 200 get the blame. Mama, I go ball down a mosquito lane. And we go clap them and no like we shame. Kill everything and not one for remain.
More time I get a like a stroke of creativity, you know what I mean? I just put it to work same time. So now I get the behind the scenes, you know? I'm about to talk about a wife behind the scenes. Alright? That's what it's called. It's called behind the scenes. Somebody on my Facebook page did send me a link and say, oh, some people use my video in a damn thing. So I'm gonna check the link. Lo and behold, they did use my video. How would that brother there? How would that? 10 things you won't believe were invented by mistake. The YouTube channel name Be Amazed. Shout out to Be Amazed for using my video. I appreciate it, you know? That just goes to show. People are seeing the content. It a go places. I'm gonna left them a little comment. They know say I appreciate it and use my video. And then give me credit. Yeah man, see this one? Credit. Kevin too crazy. And then put all a link. Big them up for that. You see what I say? If you don't wonder which video that I want prank video when me do, when I fool my wife into making her think that I was masturbating. I'll put the link in the description so you can watch it. If you know, please. I know about to cook some food. Corned beef, dumpling, yam, banana. Had that at the pre. At the end of the day, at the end of the vlog, I done cook. A mackerel. I don't make mackerel because the corned beef done. Bad something. And the camera all fog up. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, hit the share button, and also subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. These niggas bring no stress. I feel like I'm chosen, and if you're not my nigga, then your girl single to me. I don't give a damn if a nigga said he knew me. Grew up with no father, son, no boy can't son me. My flow too sick. Watch it! Man, we got turn DJ. Pick up myself, thank you for tuning in to another vlog, you know? As soon as we find things we do, me just drop it another vlog. If not, when I get a regular vlog like this, just me walk around and do things in my house. Follow me now. Sidewalk change my life. I know I'm going to a butcher voice. Punch it. Hear me as man. Lord. Alright now. Sidewalk change my life. They don't bring me down. Hey, what's them notes there? But they lead me on. But they lead me on. Say. Yo, look at more people.